Good day, everyone. I discovered an AI that is far better than Google Veo3. This is amazing. This is great. This is beautiful. This AI is awesome, guys. It's wonderful. It is awesome. Let me just show you guys. This AI is unique. It works magic. It's wonderful. Okay. You can create this AI and add music to it. You can use it to create videos for commercials, for adverts, for YouTube videos, for storytelling, for whatever niche you want to go into. Okay, this is wonderful. This is amazing. So I'll be showing you how to get this AI all for free. So once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on to the notification bell, like and share my videos. Okay, now let us go. Well, the first thing you will need to get this AI started is a VPN. So I recommend you guys get a TUNNELBEARPN downloaded in your either on your phone or on your laptop or PC. Okay, TUNNELBEARPN. Okay, after downloading it, okay, this is the VPN here. Then for if you are not in Nigeria, please, the first thing you need to do is to change your location to Nigeria. Okay, then you on it. But if you're in Nigeria, you don't need to do this for now. Okay, it's only for those that are not in Nigeria that should change their location to Nigeria. Okay, if Nigeria is okay, okay, you choose Nigeria. Then after choosing Nigeria, then the VPN is on. Then all you need to do is you come back here. You come back here. Make sure you are using a Google account you have not actually used before. You open a Gmail account. Okay, open a Gmail account and you sign up. Please, guys, open a Gmail account. You sign up if you don't have one. But if you already have one and you have not used it on this platform, you are good to go. Then the next thing you need to do is to click. I will be dropping the link to this video, to this website in my description below. So click the link, it's going to bring you here. So the name of the platform is called Dreamina. Dreamina is an amazing platform. Okay, then all you need to do is, after you have registered, okay guys, let me show you guys something first. Okay, let me show you guys something. Okay, let me show you guys something so you will understand. So let's go and click on Dreamina. Then you type on Dreamina, it brings you here. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, once you're in Nigeria, you'll be able to, or you've changed your location to Nigeria, you'll be able to access to register on this very platform, amazing AI platform, but you will not be able to get these tools. Okay, these tools will be disabled. Okay, then after you must have registered, please, the next thing you need to do, you could see now that you are having 0 credit here, meaning you can use it unlimited. Okay, unlimited. Then the next thing you need to do is you go back to your VPN. Okay, you change your location from Nigeria to any European country. Okay, I'll be using United Kingdom. Okay, I'll change my location to United Kingdom. Then I on the VPN. Then my location has been switched. Look at it here. My location has been switched to United Kingdom. Then I come back here. I come back to the VPN. I refresh. Once I refresh, you see I will have access to all these features here now. Then I refresh. Let's refresh again. Wow, so that's good. I want it to finish loading. Okay guys, Wow. So you could see now because I've changed my location to United Kingdom, I now have access to everything except for this that is coming soon. It's not yet in the AI. Okay. Then what do? I can create images. Okay. Turn ideas to I can turn ideas to image to ideas. Okay. Can use image turn them to text to images. I can do AI to video, that means text to videos, AI to avatar. So let's do AI to video first. I click on it. Then you can tell the AI to do whatever you like. Okay. To create, you can create a prompt and ask the AI to create a video for you. Okay, let's start. Say create create video a video of of four male males of four male and of four men and three women buying buying groceries groceries in the supermarket create a video of four men and three women buying groceries in the supermarket. Then you click generate, you click there, then the video will start generating, guys. So this is amazing, this is beautiful, this is great. If you like what you're seeing, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube video to enable me create more of this amazing content. Okay, you can make money, a whole lot of money with this on YouTube. Okay, if you're able to create wonderful and amazing videos with this, because I teach people how to make money, okay, on YouTube using wonderful and amazing opportunities like this. So the video is being created now. Okay, so we have to be patient. These are some of the videos I've created. These are some of the videos I've created. Okay, they look so beautiful. These are others I've created again. These are others I've created. So you could see. So this is great. This is amazing. This is another one I created. Okay, so this is wonderful. This is unique. So let's go back to the ones we just created now. Let's see if it is ready. So it's still coming up. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. So this is good. This is wonderful. The video is being created. Okay, so let's wait. Okay. Let's add music to this. So you click there to add music to it. So just click generate soundtrack. Okay, then I'm seeing it. This this look awesome. This looks amazing. There's another second soundtrack depending on which one you want. Okay, let's listen to the third soundtrack. Let's listen to the second soundtrack. Let's listen to the first track. So guys, I want to know which one I should take. Okay, let me stick with the first soundtrack. The video is ready. Wow, this is great. This is wonderful. So you can use this AI to create a lot of stuff, okay, and start making money with it. Okay, if you like what you are seeing, guys, if you like what you're seeing, encourage me, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you can go ahead to download it. Okay, wow, this is good. This is wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Expect more videos like this so you can start making money with it.